When we start building a new WordPress website, it normally looks like this, and we don't want our visitors to see our under construction website, right? In this case, what if we set a page which will be visible to the visitors and the developers can still work in the background, I mean in the backend? That will be great, right? This is called a coming soon page. I'm using Elementor to build the whole website. So let's go to the dashboard, install plugins. I have Elementor installed and Elementor Pro. You are not going to need Elementor Pro for a coming soon page if you do not need any premium element or widget. Okay, now let's go to templates, saved templates. Click add new template, select page type, type, let's name it to whatever you want. I'm naming at coming soon page. Okay, now we need to do one more thing. Let's go to dashboard. I'm gonna use Flexbox. Let's go to Elementor, settings, features. I'm gonna activate all, scroll down to the bottom, save changes, come here, click publish, and just refresh the page. Okay, now click page settings, set page layout to Elementor canvas, click publish. Now add a new container, Flexbox. Click edit container, set minimum height to VH. VH stands for view height 100. It will take the whole screen, full screen. Okay, now add a container inside it. Now we want the container in the middle. Now go to the parent container, click settings. Now justify content center, align items center. Now add an image because we're gonna add a logo. This is the logo. You can resize it using your Photoshop, but now I'm not gonna do it. Style, I'm gonna set width to 300, maybe 500 pixel, and I'm going to use this color for the whole section. Style, background type color, this, right? As you can see, the logo is not so good, but make sure you have the perfect logo for your coming soon page. Now click add element, heading, let's say we are coming soon. Style, align center, let's make it white. Select the font family to maybe Poppins, 700 font weight, 60 pixel font size. Now we are gonna need, actually we don't need that, but I'm still adding it, a countdown timer. This is a premium widget or premium element in Elementor. If you want to use this Elementor countdown timer, you are gonna need the Elementor Pro. But don't worry, there are a lot of plugins out there. You can use any of them to set a countdown timer on your coming soon page. Now we can style this. Let's click the pen icon. First set the date. Today is 12th of April 2024. Now we're gonna select 18, which means 6 days from now. Okay, now we can disable the days here, we can disable hours here, we can disable minutes. I'm enabling all of them. Now go to style, You can change the background color of the container of those section actually. Let's set it to red actually. This matches the logo color, right? Okay, now we can set the font size, digit font size to maybe 40 pixel, and select the font family Poppins. For the label, let's go with Poppins again. Okay, let's click boxes. We can set a container width, it's now 100%. If we decrease it, see, you can use however you want. I'm gonna set it to 60%. Okay, so our coming soon page is almost ready. What else we need here? If your client needs any like MailChimp or anything else, you can add them also here. Now let's preview it. This is the coming soon page, but if we visit the main website, we can see the under construction website. Now if I visit the website using incognito mode, we will still see the main website because there are a lot of work to be done here. I'm going to close it. Now go to the dashboard, go to Elementor, go to tools, go to maintenance mode, choose mode to coming soon page, choose template to coming soon page. Now click save changes. Now go to the main website. We can see the under construction website as we are logged in as a developer, right? Now if I copy the URL, go to the incognito mode, and let's visit it and see what we see, and we can see the coming soon page. If we refresh it, we will see this coming soon page, but on the back end, if we are logged in, we will see the under construction website. So this is how we can add a coming soon page. Let's see if we need anything else. No. Okay, so if you have any question, please you can ask me. Thank you so much.